Hi, my sweethearts. How's everybody feeling today? Today, I have two Coach bags that I wanted to talk about and discuss with you ladies. So if you love Coach handbag videos, stick with me. Come on aboard the channel. Hit like, subscribe, hit subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. Oh, come on. I upload every day, several times a day. So stick with me, you guys, for more content on handbags. If you're a handbag lover, let's go ahead. Let's get started. Let's jump right in. So I've had my lovely Coach Soho re-edition right here for a while. I love this bag in the faded blue color. I picked her up a while ago from Macy's. I love this bag. I love getting bags that I love, as well as, seeking them out and finding them, as well as sometimes when a bag goes on sale. I love catching a sale. Sometimes I'll wait until a bag goes on sale, and sometimes you miss it, and sometimes you're lucky and you catch it, you girls. We're handbag girls, all of us. So, if you miss a handbag here or there, it's okay. You can't have every bag. You could try to, but there's going to be bags out there that you miss sometimes, and that's okay too. There's always another handbag coming along. So I wanted to talk about this lovely Coach bag in faded blue. I love this one. This is the re-edition. I love it. I did a video on my channel already showing you guys what all can fit in this lovely bag. So today though, I wanted to pick about another beauty that I recently caught at the Coach outlet. So sometimes the Coach outlet has retail bags that come in to the Coach outlet, and when they do, they're always on sale for a better price. So recently I caught my lovely Coach Demi right here. I caught her on sale at the Coach outlet. So I caught my lovely Demi on sale at the Coach outlet, and I was so happy when she came in. And the thing about it is, you don't know what color you might walk up on. Now, if you sought this bag, if you sought out to have it when it was being sold at Coach retail, and the red was available, the pink was available, the brown was available, blue, and this lovely green color, then you probably picked and chose what color you wanted. Well, me, I just happened to be in the Coach outlet, and this was the color that I walked up on, along with some tabbies, and I went ham. I went crazy, and I was like, I fell in love with this beautiful green color right here. Long time ago, believe it or not, you guys, I did not like the color green. Well, over the years, my taste changed, and even though, I always say I like neutrals, I love a bag in green. I love red, I love a yellow pop of color, and I also love green when I could get a lovely bag in green. So this is the lovely, beautiful Coach Demi, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tags off of her so I could start using her and enjoying her. I love when the handbags are new and the leather hasn't been broken in fully yet, and the handles are still so stiff and stand upright. They could continue to stay and stand upright like that. Once you start wearing the bag, the handles, the leather is gonna get broken in, and then the leather won't stand up like that anymore. The bag will get slouchy, and the leather from the handles will get slouchy as well. So they won't, they won't continue to stand up like that. So I have her lovely tags right here, the lovely Coach Demi, and it's gonna be a pleasure to start rocking and wearing this bag. And she can hold a lot. Now this bag, don't let it fool you. The Soho can hold a lot too, but you see how thick this is right here, the width, the girth. This bag is gonna be able to hold a lot. Even though it's a small bag, it will be able to hold a lot. So I have my tape measure right here, and the length of this bag is 9 inches long. So she's 9 inches long right there. So she will be long enough to hold a cell phone with no problem, your wallet with no problem, other items, a wallet. You'll be able to, you could fit even a full wallet in here. So that's the length. Okay, so let me do the width. The width is 4 inches. So she is 9 inches long by 4 inches wide. So she's 4 inches wide right here. Now let's do the height, how tall she is. She is, so she's 9 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 5 inches tall. So she's 5 inches tall right here. So those are her dimensions. 9 by 4 inches wide right here, by 5 inches tall. She'll be able to hold a lot, like I said. So today I just wanted to go ahead and talk about my lovely Demi. I'm so glad to have her in my collection. I will be back to talk about these lovely beauties some more in my handbag collection. I love the colors. I just love, it's so much fun, you know, amassing your collection and putting your collection together with so many different colors, you know, that you could just grab different items for a pop of color and have fun, especially in the summertime. You know, I live in cold climate weather, so in the wintertime, I carry more of my darker bags, like my chestnut leather and my Fry heavy duty leather bags. But in the summertime is the time to play with pops of color, you guys, like these two lovely bags right here. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more fun videos. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.